Hi, hello, this is Shekhar from SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing the secret of success. Friends, today I'm very happy to say that this is the last part of word. Before this, I did 8 parts regarding word. If you want to watch them, please go through the links given in the description, and I'm going to leave some iCards on the top of the screen. Friends, here in this video, we are going to learn how to use would when we prefer something. For this, the structure is would rather plus V1 plus than plus V1. For example, he would rather play than work. It means he prefers playing to working. Here play is V1 form and work is V1 form according to the structure. So after rather you have to use V1 form and than and V1 form. So rather V1 than V1, right? Let us see some more examples. I would rather travel by train than plane. It means I prefer traveling by train to by plane. Some more examples. She would rather spend than save. I would rather die than surrender. I would rather have the small one than the big one. Kids would rather play than study. I would rather have milk than tea or coffee. She would rather die than give a speech. Friends, if you want to make it a question, you have to remove would and put it in the beginning of the sentence, and instead of than, you have to use or. See this example. Would you rather take CSE or ECE? It means what would you prefer? CSE or ECE? Some more examples. Would you rather walk or take the bus? Would you rather watch football or cricket? Would you rather have chicken or fish for lunch? Would you rather travel by train or plane? Friends, this is the way to use would when we prefer something. I think you have got it. And if you like my content, please do subscribe, please do share, and please do like. Thank you so much, friends. Let's meet again with a new topic. Thanks a lot. Yours, SEKHAR'S English. Bye-bye.